Hi, Amit. Thank you so much for all the help in helping me gain clarity on how I can reach my ideal clients, people who are really looking for help to solve their problems and the solutions that they need in their life areas where they're going through self doubt, stress, anxiety, and all of that. I mean, all this while I really want to help people in becoming more healthy and happy and more peaceful. So, thank you for your help in helping me understand how to reach the people who are really looking for these solutions, who really needs my help, and where can I serve? Who can I serve with my emotional empowerment system? So thank you for this clarity. Thank you for all the structure. Thank you for putting it down in such a easy and simple way for me to understand. It was extremely helpful, and you've given me a lot of time and a lot of solutions. So thank you so much. You've really been able to understand what, as a coach, I need to be able to reach the right people and offer my services. So thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
I actually really want to thank you, Amitji, because yes, this entire coaching the session has helped me break through the key words and the single statement, or the way people would connect with me, and the tips that you have shared with me that I was a little skeptic about. So yes, even there is a clarity on that. So I hope this works for me, and I shall definitely give you the feedback after implementing this. And thank you so much for that formula that gave me the proper, I think everything is covered in that statement. That can be my introduction or part of my marketing tagline also. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me get to that point where I got the clarity of what to offer, or I think, yeah, the correct word would be the offer statement.
Yeah, it was a tremendous help for me because I was not sure where to start from. So this has actually given me clarity, like whom I'm going to target and what kind of problem I'm going to solve, and how long it is going to solve those problems for me by using my different skills. So the stepwise help that been assisted by you really helped me to give a clear goals to my niche. I'm able to define myself clearly before the public. I do not have any words. The kind of clarity I never thought would be possible, because after struggling so much, doing so many things, I was not able to figure out certain things, and it has certainly made me very clear. So it's thank you to you. Thank you so much, Amit sir.
It's I think the branding. I think the branding, the way that you are talking about, and the way that you see it, and you advise. I think it will more be how can I say, in connections with the people, because the branding is, I agree with you, is the best, and how to make the right branding, and then you can connect with the right people, or the people that will find on you what they look for. And I agree with you that the branding, maybe I'm not doing too much. As I said, I'm not open all about my life, and of course if I do it, people, they would say, okay, it's like me. Something like that. And this is the way they will always say, it's like me. So maybe, so no, thanks. I mean, thank you for that. This is interesting. I think the way, the content and the definitions of the offer, I think the way that you mentioned make it more attractive, especially when we compare Facebook way and LinkedIn the way. And I like the way that you mentioned about LinkedIn, because it's different audience, so we have to approach in different way. So I like it, this, and this is something I would do it right after the call.
Session is quite wonderful, and we did lots of masterminding. We discussed the completely things from beginning, how I started and what are the problems I faced and how these problems can be taken care of. And then we also discuss about how we can refine the offer. So masterminding in this session has made all the things easier and understand the things, and I found out lots of things which I can do more and impact more and more people. So quite amazing and quite reflectful, impactful session it was. Thank you so much.
I didn't know anything about organic marketing, and I heard about it, but then I didn't know how it worked. And I was more looking forward for paid advertisements and paid ads, and I thought I don't know how to do it. But then when you introduced me this concept and you gave me this opportunity to come forward and work with you, when I was doing that, learning all your methods, and I was just doing it with no expectation, saying that let's do it, let's see how it works. Today, I am being looked by people as a brand. I'm getting that kind of respect, that kind of, I have that kind of dignity. The people are looking at me in a very different way. So that's the impact of your organic marketing, and it had changed the way, it had changed my equation in coaching industry. I definitely recommend everybody to go and have this organic marketing, because it is a game changer, because your proven methods had helped me and your support had really helped me. I really appreciate for all the support and all the work you have given to me, all the methods you have taught to me. And because of you today, I'm a brand, and I'm really looking forward to build this higher and higher.
Hi, Amit. Yeah, I'm very honored, to be sitting here with you. Last year, I decided to, become a digital coach and help, professionals who are struggling in their career, because it was a new thing. So, I enrolled with quite a few coaches, learning different things. But then somewhere I felt that I'm not getting a breakthrough.
Okay.
I'm not able to get a client. I think I watched your videos, some of your videos which you posted, and I really felt that you could help me. And I felt that I need, to accelerate the journey. I felt that I needed that one-on-one coaching. So I'd say that there's a marked, change because from, as I said, from a no client, I have been able to crack a client in just, say, 45 days. So which speaks for itself that, how you have coached. So I think a lot of credit goes to, the way you coach. So at every stage, there is so much of support. I'll say that, from my own journey, I have not been into this, whole digital space for a long time. But if I am able to, today, if I'm able to, create content and, get some results, it's all because of this one-on-one coaching. So I'll say that, all the coaches that, you need that support.
Hi, my name is Saumya and I'm a women empowerment life coach. I am recording this video especially to thank Amit from the bottom of my heart for whatever he is doing and for whatever he has done for me till now. So I have been offering my services, doing my workshops and programs for a while now. It's been more than 3 years, but I was not very clear and sure on how I need to package my knowledge, my expertise, my experience, and create the right offer to the people. That is where Amit came into my life. He helped me so much till now. We had done brainstorming sessions, and he helped me so much to understand what an offer is, how an offer is created, what are the pointers where we need to focus, and how to create an offer. He has so much of knowledge and expertise. He knows what he is doing very well. He has given me amazing content, strategy, converting content, which helps really. So thank you so much, Amit, from the bottom of my heart for everything. If you are really looking for a coach, then definitely Amit is the person, is the go-to person.
It's a great learning from you. You as a coach is done amazing. I would say that because I learned many things from you in the past 4 months. Yeah. I have learned how to create the offer, then how to create the content. Then every steps I have learned from you very nicely, and you have taken it in a great manner. and I really learned many things. I can say that. What was the previous one that before joining your sessions or your coaching, I was getting the leads, but I was not attracting the high-paying mentees. And after joining your coaching, I learned that how to attract the right people for our coaching and how to generate the leads. That is what I can say. I have learned it, and again, the learning is going on because still now also I am learning many things from you. And I would say that the dedication you have given for me as a one-to-one coaching was fabulous. Whenever I required your help, you helped it very nicely, and you have taken it as per my own timings. My coaching was down that time. You pulled me that Usha, you have to do this. Usha, you have to do this. So whatever the as a coach you have helped me a lot in that way. So thank you so much for all your coaching and all your learnings, whatever you have. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Amit sir. In this 1.5 hour session, I got a lot of clarity about my niche. Where do I need to focus? How can I pitch my student? How can I pitch my potential client? More importantly, what do I need to, or how do I need to introduce myself to the audience out there, to the prospect out there? And Amit sir has hold my hand and walked me through the entire process, which is that simple 8 steps formula. Thank you, Amit sir, for this wonderful help.
Hey Amit, I just want to share with you after today's session that it was really amazing, that you really know your stuff, and the strategy you came up with, like, you really helped me to figure it out how to get more clients. And plus I feel more confident and clear about what I am doing. So really, thank you, and I'm so happy to have you in my life. And guys, if any of you are thinking about working with Amit, you should do it.
थैंक यू अमित सर फॉर 1-to-1 कंसल्टेशन. आपकी इस कॉल ने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी दी है अपनी ऑफर स्टेटमेंट में, खासकर कि ऑफर स्टेटमेंट में ना काफ़ी मिस्टेक्स थी, मुझे लग रहा था. और आपने मुझे आपके बताने से इवन मुझे पता चला कि कैसे इसको हमें करना चाहिए, जैसे प्रोग्राम नेम, कम्युनिटी नेम, इन चीज़ों की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, हाई टिकट ऑफ़र कैसे क्रिएट करना है. तो इतनी सारी चीज़ें जो कि नहीं पता था, ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प रही. एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
Yeah, so basically, I lacked clarity in terms of my messaging. I lacked clarity in terms of how I would position myself as a coach, where I was going wrong. So I think this gave me a lot of clarity in terms of my messaging and how I should, place my content and how I should approach my coaches. What are the points which I should emphasize on? So it was very detailed, and each step was very detailed. And this is like the document which you have given me is like a fallback document. So it's like a checklist kind of. So today when I do a messaging, so I have this document where I can go back and check, okay, have I ticked all the parameters or not? So it ensures that every messaging is very sharp, clear, lands on the correct client and mentees who I'm looking for. And secondly, I think it's also gave me a clarity in terms of what kind of mentees I should be looking at targeting, basically in my niche, and also gave me clarity on how many prospects I will close to achieve what is my target. So in 1.5 hours, I think I've got a clarity on many important aspects.
Well, for me, Amit, it's fully unbelievable. I was never thinking that this is going to work like this. And people who have never commented on videos also, where I used to make, if you go into my profile, there were many videos taken. They're doing it on stories. It is like engaging. Yeah. I was not aware of it.
That's the power of story. People don't know that, because even Modi ji also keeps telling the story only. Just think of any person who is massively successful in the leadership role. Anywhere, coach is nothing but a leader, okay? So anyone who is leading or is a good leader, they actually uses the story, and this will be always be there. Power of story, you can never unbeatable.
I never experienced it. I wasn't sure also, but it gave me so much of learning and faith, and definitely it's gonna give me glory as well.
Yes, let's make it happen. Okay.